How to make your Twitter account private. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about making your Twitter account private. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Twitter application on your mobile device. For that, you can go to Play Store and verify. Now open the Twitter application and also make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now click on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. From here, go to Settings and Support. Click on Settings and Privacy. In the Twitter settings, find and open the Privacy and Safety option. That is just between the Monetization and Notifications option. Click on it. Now tap on Audience and Tagging. That is the initial option in this page. Look for the Protect Your Tweets option and simply toggle it on. This allows you to show your post only to the people who follow you. You have to simply enable this setting, and once you enable this option, your account will be private and only your followers can see your content, profile, and tweets. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.